Okay, so based on this talk, I'm going to talk about the moving average strategy, which I've tried to tell many people, how to use it, but it seems like some of us not yet we understand properly. This is why I still continue to, to share this type of video so that if you are a fan of moving average, at least you can come and like this video and give it a thumbs up. So what I'm going to be showing you right now is the first thing is a moving average. Okay, because I told one of my friends to really base it on a moving average 100. There's a reason for 100 moving average. Okay, there's a big reason for 100 moving average. As you can see what is going on the screen, right? You can see this is a 100 moving average, which gives you a kind of room to see that this thing has started coming down all the way from this zone, and then when it crossed below the 100, right, although it crossed, it retraced, cross, retest, you see, then it bounced down, right? Okay, it gets here, from this point. The moving average 100 lets you see that, okay, this is coming, and when it bounced above the 100, the trend has changed, right? It's gone. Okay, you see, there are some things I would have shown you that can really show you if you are going to trust this change of trend or not, but I don't really want to be applying a lot of things on this chart. You understand? It's really disturbing when you have a lot of things on your chart. You understand? This is why I tell people your knowledge is very important. What you really know about Forex is very important, because you cannot put all the tools indicators on your chart at a time. So based on this type of things that you are looking right now on the 100 MA right in my front right now, you can see that the price have come all the way from here and has gone down and then came under or below the 100 MA, right? Okay, since it has come below the 100 MA, what does this mean? This means the trend of the USD JPY have changed, or the trend of any pair you put this strategy, it has changed. It has been coming from this top and came below the 100, went to retest, and now going down. So the USD JPY now have changed into a downtrend, but this is not about USD JPY right now. This is about me telling you about the moving average and how to use it, but I just embed the USD JPY signal right inside it. For the people following me about USD JPY, I do make this type of video if I'm not able to come online to come and give you our regular live, So I hope many of you will come across this video and watch it. Today is 30th of May 2025. Okay, so if you see this video and you are watching it and you are seeing the USD JPY signal, it could be in the past. Today is 30th of May 2025. Now let us now try to proceed, because I want to just show you some little things. Let's say we have this kind of we go and get this our own arrow, income arrow. We are gonna get it, okay, and then we're gonna tell our arrow to inform us when that moving average, let's say 20, the small one, crossing the 100. And what I'm going to do, all the alert, I'm going to turn it on. No, alert on, everything is on, alert on current, I want it on. So you turn on all this alert. Okay, only email, I don't really do email alert, because maybe some of these brokers, they monitor these things and they can just begin to play with it behind your back. You don't know. So 20 cross 100, and that is it. Okay, and then we apply it. Now we can see if the cross is going to happen, this arrow is going to come out first. All you do is just wait for breakout retest of the 100 MA. That's all. Look, it's going to go cross. Wait for breakout of the 100 MA. But sometimes we don't have a retest, but just wait. Wait for breakout or whatever. You understand? But if there's anything that can make you to follow this arrow trend when it breaks above the 100 and show you that the trend is over right here, it will have been the best. But right here, right now, this, we are going to go down. That is what the 100 arrow is telling you right here. You understand? And then if there is anything now that's going to tell you that the trend have changed, okay, the trend have changed, okay, what's going to show you? Let me give you what is going to show you. Okay, something that will now show you that a trend have changed. Let's bring a support resistance entry. This support resistance is wait, what is this one? Oh, don't bring that, don't bring that. We don't need that support resistance entry. I mean support resistance line. Support resistance. So that our support resistance is going to be 100. As you see, we base everything on 100, and we're going to allow the alert of this support resistance 100. We are going to allow it. Now you can see when I told you that if there's anything I can use to let you know that there's going to be changes from this point, it will have been good. But now the support resistance is doing that for you. This is why the alert of support resistance is turned on, because when you pick a sell from this arrow, when it was bouncing below the 100 MA, you know that it is going to the 100 support zone. So that is where you should be looking at that. Okay, if this has crossed the 100 MA, then it crossed below, right? It crossed to the down, then it is going to the 100 MA support. If it crossed from the low to the high, then you can say, okay, it is going to the 100 MA resistance where it got and then turned back. This is the knowledge of the moving average strategy. You see, there is still a lot of knowledge about this moving average. Okay, this is why you, as you are watching this video, it is good, it is very, very good, you try your best to click on the join button and join any membership of this page. Okay, you can support this page in any way you can, joining membership. Okay, because some of the tools that I'm mentioning in these videos, you will see some of them now will be going to be posted into the membership section, and you will see some of this video, they don't just end up here, they continue. So you can see me now posting continuation of this video alone, continuation, what are the tools to combine to make this effective. You will see me putting the continuation in the membership area. Okay, good. So if you want to take advantage of that to really strengthen your knowledge, because in the membership area, you know, I really give educative content. It will really broaden your idea, you understand, apart from the normal life signal that we are doing, you know. So this video is going to end here, but you need to look forward for the part 2 of this video. Okay, so stay blessed, and with this little knowledge, the support resistance indicator and the, you know, this arrow indicator, I think I will put it under the description of this video, yeah, if I can, as fast as possible, you know. So thank you.